How to use WhatsApp pinch to zoom in video call. Well, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now, after the latest update, WhatsApp pinch allows you to zoom in and zoom out of the recipient's video so that you are receiving. So for example, first you will have to be on the call, right? So you want to make sure you are on the video call. Let me just make a call real quick. Once you're on the call here, what it'll do is, as you can see, you'll be able to find the feed once the call is picked, right? So you can pinch in and pinch out this way. So as you can see now, I'm on a video call. Once you're on the video call, all you gotta do to zoom in and zoom out is you can place two fingers this way on your screen. Then you can pinch outwards to zoom in, and you can pinch inwards to zoom out again. So you can zoom up to 5x, as you can see, and you can also swipe your fingers to move the area zoomed. So it's that simple. After the latest update, this way you can easily use WhatsApp pinch to zoom during the video call. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.